y'all, this is Zachary. Welcome to Burn Down's Country Kitchen. Today, we're going to get after chicken lasagna. I've never made lasagna. Regular chicken, you name it, never made it. So I'm kind of looking forward to it. I got this recipe off Natasha's kitchen. She does great things over there. Go ahead and give her a watch, but watch me first, then go give her a watch, and then come back home to Burn Down Country Kitchen. All right, let's get after these ingredients. Okay, so we're going to want to start with 2 cups of shredded chicken. We probably got more than 2 cups, but it's all right. 2 cups is what you're going to need. I got ricotta, I got fresh baby spinach, I got onion, I got 3 cloves of garlic, 1 egg, some half and half, some chicken broth, some fresh parsley. We have our lasagna noodles. We have our butter, 1/3 cup flour, salt, pepper, and our 2 different kinds of cheeses, mozzarella and Parmesan. So, all right, let's. I got people coming over later. I would like to say happy birthday, Cheyenne. She would be 27 today. And I got family coming over. We're going to eat this great meal, so let's get after it. So I'm going to go ahead. I got a pan lined with foil. It's for easy cleanup. So go ahead and spray it with some nonstick. I'm going to pour a little bit of chicken broth to line the bottom of it to keep it nice and moist. All right. That's pretty good. Go ahead and throw this chicken in. I got the oven set at 375. We're just going to go ahead and get this cooked up so we can start getting it shredded. You can cook your chicken however you want. Boil it, do whatever you want. I'm going to stick mine in the oven. So, all right, let's get that going and I'll be back. I'm going to go ahead and put these. You want 9 of them, but I go ahead and add a few more in there just in case there's some breakage. Like you see, that one there's broke. I'm going to come out and replace it with a better one. We'll go ahead and put some salt in there. Get it over on the stove. I'm going to go ahead and get my onion cut up here. Oh look, my new cutting board. It's got cool antlers. I like it. I like it. My other one is missing the handle, so I want to replace it. But at the same time, I think I'm probably just going to still use that other one for meat, for the raw meat. Something like that. Nice. Okay, so we're going to want them fairly small. Always do it like that. You want them nice and small. Like I've told you all before, make sure you leave that on there. That helps you in the long run. That way it doesn't fall apart on you. So it helps hold it together while you're hacking away. I find this to be the easiest way to do it. And that's without any knife skills. Okay, to get on that bechamel sauce, bechamel, whatever. That is the sauce we're going to get after right now. Use some oil, about a tablespoon or so. Just about a tablespoon or so. We're throwing our onions, getting them softened up. While that's softened up, we'll go ahead and get over there and get after that baby spinach. So this is, we're going to use this whole thing. I know, it looks like a lot, but it just, the moisture gets cooked out of it and just withers right on up. So we're going to go ahead and chop it, but let's do it half and half. It's taking up an awful lot of space here. And once you got your onions softened up, go ahead and put in a quarter stick or so. Okay, it's nice and melted. We're going to go ahead and add in our 1/3 cup flour. Stir that around. This is how we build our roux. And just want to cook that out for a couple minutes. You don't want to overcook it. It'll burn quick. But you want to get some of that flour taste cooked out of it. Yeah, looking good. Just gonna want to keep it moving. Alright, that's been on there for a couple minutes. Next, we'll go ahead and add our chicken broth. Get stirred in. And then you can get the nice fond off the bottom of it, F-O-N-D, that's flavor. Because once you add liquid to it, that bottom just comes right on up. Okay, and we have our 1.5 cups of half and half. Nice. We're just going to bring this to a boil, a simmer, not a boil, a simmer. You just want it to thicken up. And when your noodles are done, like I said, they have to be al dente, kind of tough to the bite. When you drain your water, this is a pro tip, y'all. When you drain your water, go ahead and put cold water back into it. That'll keep your noodles fresh and they won't be sticking together and be easy to work with. Alright, now we're just waiting on this to simmer for a little while. We want it to thicken up. We'll add a couple more things to it and be done with it. So now I'm going to take the time to salt and pepper it to taste. Probably do a couple pinches, say about a teaspoon of salt, maybe. You know, you do you, whatever tastes good to your taste buds. Start to bubble here. Turn that down a little bit. I ain't trying to burn it. Get that nice and stirred in. Just starting to thicken. And if it's not thick enough, you can always do a slurry. Just equal parts cornstarch and water. All right, it's thickening up nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and get my garlic squeezed off in there. Like I said, I got 3 cloves. Now you can chop them as long as it's minced, it don't matter. A lot of people do it in advance so you don't have to sit and watch it, but I don't know. Like I kind of like, when I'm watching a video, I kind of like to see exactly how they do it, not just the edited parts of it all, you know? But that's just me. Squeeze some more out. And of course we'll empty our reservoir with that signature scraping sound we always do around here. Because it seems like we're always using this garlic press, ain't it? I brought it up a while ago and nobody said nothing, but I have no problem doing a giveaway. Y'all show me some interest and we'll go ahead and set it up. It may not be this exact press, but you'll get a garlic press out of it, or someone will. All right, stir that around. Oh man, it gets thickening up nicely. Bechamel sauce. Bechamel. Oh, oui, oui. All right. So now we got our chopped baby spinach. We're gonna throw that in there. All of it. Every single bit of it. Now this is gonna happen quick. Okay, so once this spinach softens up, we're gonna remove it from the heat. It's done at that point. You can double check, make sure you got enough salt and pepper in there, but that'd be it. We'll pull it from the heat. Man, looks good, smells good. Living right, huh? Living right. It will happen quick. We're just waiting for it to wilt. Again, I got this recipe off of Natasha's Kitchen. Go ahead and give her a look after you watch this one, and then come back when you're done. But yeah, I like to lift up and give a shout out to other content creators when they got exceptional recipes, and this is what I believe will be one of them. Okay, this is done. I'm going to pull this from the heat. Go ahead and get it off and removed. Just let it hang out. My poor stove got all burnt right here. But I'm getting a new one soon, and I'll be looking to give this one away to somebody who needs it. So if y'all are in Northern Kentucky, you need an electric stove with just a slightly burnt handle, let me know. We'll work something out. I believe in paying it forward. Y'all can tell it works great. Just got a burnt stove handle. All right. So our chicken's done. We just got to start getting it shredded. Remember, we need 2.5 cups of shredded chicken. And you could have seasoned it if you want. I didn't. Chose not to. No real reason why. I just chose not to. Figured there's gonna be enough flavors into everything else. Sometimes less is more. And I believe this is one of those times. So this is easy. And you don't have to cook your own chicken. You can get a rotisserie chicken already cooked, or you can cook it however you prefer. You can barbecue it. It's a little cold out, so. Not that I've barbecued frozen pizzas in the rain before at a hotel. I don't care. I go out there in a snowstorm for all I care. Done it before, I'll do it again. But I don't feel like cleaning out the cooler right now. And I got a bunch on my plate before family shows up. And this is something you can do in advance. I'm doing this a couple hours in advance, but you can do it, a couple of days in advance. You can always get it, prepared and then freeze it. And then pull it out and cook it. All right, let's see where we're at here. Chicken's still nice and hot. All right. A little under 2 cups. All right, let's get after this ricotta cheese mix here. So this is a 15-ounce thing of ricotta cheese. Love it when it comes out easy. It'll be 2 cups of mozzarella. We'll save the rest for the top. Let's see, the Parmesan was a 1/4 cup. We're gonna go ahead and crack 1 egg, farm fresh. Not that yours has to be farm fresh, but this one is. Love it. Love farm fresh. In fact, I'm working on getting me a chicken coop set up. Next, we add 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. Good. Save the rest to go on top. That's it. We'll just mix this up. There's no need to cook this. Anything it needs to do, it'll do in the oven when it's all ready to go. We just want to make sure it gets mixed in really good. Really good. It smells good. Nice. Man, that looks good. Okay, we'll set that aside. We're about ready to build. All right, y'all. Okay, so we just drained the cold water out of the noodles. Remember, we drained them, and then we put cold water in to keep it nice and pliable and from sticking together. Oh, hang on. First thing we're gonna do is kind of line the bottom here with this sauce. Like so. Stop it from sticking a little bit. The noodles. All right. So then we do 3 noodles. Slippery. All slippery. All right. Just overlap them. Just like that. Okay, next we want to put this cheese mixture on here. With a spoon, it's easier to spread around. Just want to keep it from going everywhere, sliding all over the pan. Try to spread it around nice and evenly. A little more over here. You want to use about 1/3 of it. Maybe a little more. Okay, that's good. Just like that. All right. Now we're gonna get our chicken. Use half of it on here. Of course, spread it around. Make sure it's bite-sized. Nice and bite-sized. More here. Just kind of fill it in a little here and there, but make sure you save it because we're going to do this again. We have another layer we're going to be working on. So now we'll get our bechamel sauce. We want to be fairly generous with it. That is for sure. Man, it smells so good. Make sure it's getting over the edges. Now you want to save yourself enough to do this twice, 2 more times with this bechamel sauce. It's pretty good, huh? Pretty good. Okay. We're going to do this again. Another layer. Right on top. Now you should have a couple extra noodles left over because remember, we went ahead and cooked a couple extra just in case something broke or ripped or tore. You want to have extra. But you may not end up using it. Maybe you just want to, if you have them already left over and partially cooked, maybe you want to roll them up into something. That would always be good, right? All right. We're going to go ahead and put the rest of this on here. This ricotta cheese mixture. Like that. And yeah, we're going to use the rest of it on this layer, so pretty much want to split it up between the 2 layers. Some there, some there. Spreading it out. Man, it looks so good. It smells good. I feel bad because y'all can't smell it or taste it, but I mean, there is one sure way to get around that. Let's make it. Make it for your daggone self. Love every bit of it. And then show it off to your family and friends because it looks cool. Right? It looks cool. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and throw the rest of our chicken in here. Just like we did before. Tearing it up, making sure it's shredded, bite size. Everything go down nice and easy when you take a bite. And it's gonna cook in this, and the noodles and the chicken's even gonna soften up even more. I mean, it's gonna be, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be fire. Not hot, not heat, although I may throw some, me and jalapenos. I may do that on my own, but just for the basic part of it, yeah. Yeah. Still got a little bit of chicken left over, so see if I can't get some more of it in there. All the way to the edge on everything. Right? All the way to the edge on everything. Starting to get to the bottom of the chicken finally. So. Alright. That's that. Go ahead and throw our bechamel sauce on there. And smell the garlic. Oh, it smells so good. So good. All right. And we're going to want to save just a little bit of this bechamel for the very top of it. But it won't be that bad. I'll make sure that this is good and covered. Go there, go here, little here, little there, over here, over there, over here, over there, over there, over here. All right, I'll shut up. Well, I won't shut up, but I'll quit doing over here, over there. All right. So there's that, and then the last step, we're going to do one more layer of the noodles. Just like so. All right, and I will have 3 noodles left over, so I can do something with or chuck them if I don't want them. But why, right? Why? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and top this whole thing off here with the rest of this sauce. Be coming close to the bottom of the pan by now. Hoo-wee, y'all. Hoo-wee. Okay. Spread it all out. Try to get it even. All the noodles covered. Just like a so. All right, that's done. Can't stand the mess. Can't stand the mess. Look at that. Okay, so we got our topper cheese here. We're gonna go all the way to the edge with this one. We're gonna want that cheese crust. Man, I'm good at making a mess, aren't I? Good at making a mess. And you would be fine to stop there. The problem is, I don't want to stop there. Plenty cheesy enough, but just want a little cheesier. I mean, why not? Get that fantastic cheese pool. When it's all done, all right, that should be good, right? Added about an extra cup of cheese, just because I can. Okay, it's pro tip time, y'all. Pro tip time. To keep the foil off of this, we're gonna go ahead and put some toothpicks down. Get it open here. Because who wants the cheese sticking to the foil? Raise your hand. Anybody raise your hand? Yeah, I didn't think so. Because nobody wants that at all. So we just do this. It'll help keep that foil off our cheese. Pro tip. Something you said about good old down home cooking, right? Another one there, put another one there, just because we had them out. No other reason. All right. This is ready to go, and put foil on top of it. Got the oven preheated for 375, and it'll be in there for about 45 minutes. Just like so. And you see? No danger at all of messing with getting your cheese stuck to it. No danger at all. Okay, I'm done a little early, so I'm gonna set this aside in the fridge, and get my fixings together, which y'all don't need to be a part of. You've seen me do garlic bread and potatoes so many times. We'll skip that one. Besides, this was the star of the show today, right? All right, so we'll be back. All right, y'all, I just pulled this from the oven. You still hear it sizzling. Let's see what we got here. Ow. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Pull these toothpicks. Now we will let this rest for about 30 minutes. Oh, it's way too hot to even get into right now. Let it all solidify together. And we will, should have our company here by then. And we'll get after this thing. All right, y'all, we got that cooling off. Do me a favor, go ahead and hit like, share, subscribe. Does me a world of good, and I appreciate it. All right, enough with the business. Let's get after this taste test. All right, this is nice and cooled off. Go ahead and put some fresh parsley on there for the pop of color. All right. Let's see. You can just smell it. The bechamel sauce. It's trying to fall apart on me. Oh, there we go. Woo! Look at that. Okay, let's take a bite of this. Been looking forward to this all day. All day long. Look at that. Wow, that's really good. Bechamel sauce, the garlic, the baby spinach, it's so good. The onion, man, that is good. The chicken is really tender. Noodles are nice and soft. It's perfect. That's really good. All right, I got my company here. Everybody's getting hungry. So we're gonna go ahead and end it here. So cook something, cook anything. Cook a chicken lasagna. Why not, right? All right, y'all. Till next time.